Formplex was founded with the philosophy to give clients an all-Australian building product that didn't require painting and that was well insulated. Excel Board is our top-of-the-line superior building and cladding board choice. Excel Board is the latest all-Australian designed and manufactured building board and by far the most innovative building board in the current market. It was developed after research highlighted the need and desire for a solid U PVC Type A extruded building board. Excel Board has a warm appeal and is reminiscent of a freshly painted timber home, but it retains that fresh look for generations to come. Excel Board offers long lengths and a light wood grain finish that is not overglossed. Excel Board is primarily used in new construction applications as it is installed straight onto studs. But it's also used in recladding existing homes and can be installed over the existing boards. Excel Board is also perfect for upper story extensions, giving you a strong exterior cladding. It doesn't fade, rot, chip or warp. It has a hidden nailing strip so you never see a screw. Most importantly, it is lightweight, so that allows for expansion and contraction. We do our own installation 99% of the time. Builders can install it themselves. To save time and assure quality, we recommend you go with us. To find out more about Excel Board or any other Formplex product, please give us a call on 1800 038 145 or please have a look at our website formplex.com.au.